everyone, my name is Triunyasih. Today, we will learn about genetic disorder. Genetic disorder are conditions that occur as a result of change to or mutation in DNA within the body cell. A mutation is a random, unpredictable change in DNA in a cell. Mutations are most likely to occur during DNA replication. Some diseases are caused by mutations that are inherited from the parents and are present in an individual at birth, like sickle cell disease. Other diseases are caused by acquired mutation in a gene or group of genes that occur during a person's life. Such mutations are not inherited from a parent, but occur either randomly or due to some environmental exposure, such as cigarette smoke. So, how do genetic disorder develop? Genetic conditions tend to run in family. Parents pass genes on to their children, and some of these genes may contain the basis of a genetic disorder. However, each parent only passes down half of their genes. The version of each gene that a parent passes down is known as allele. If two alleles from each parent differ, the body may only take instruction from one of them. The allele that the cell takes instruction from is known as the dominant allele. The other is known as the recessive allele. Some genetic conditions are carried by a dominant allele, while others are carried by a recessive allele. Generally, a person will only inherit a particular genetic disorder if they have at least one dominant allele for the disorder or two recessive alleles for the disorder. Genetic disorder have four types. First is single-gene inheritance. Single-gene inheritance is also called Mendelian or monogenetic inheritance. Changes or mutations that occur in the DNA sequence of a single gene cause this type of inheritance. Some examples of single-gene inheritance include alpha and beta thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, Huntington disease, etc. Second is multifactorial inheritance. Multifactorial inheritance is also called complex or polygenic inheritance. Multifactorial inheritance disorders are caused by a combination of environmental factors and mutation in multiple genes. Some examples of multifactorial inheritance include high blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, etc. Third is chromosome abnormalities. Chromosomes are the carriers of the genetic materials. Abnormalities in chromosome number or structure can result in disease. Some examples of chromosome abnormalities include Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, etc. The last is mitochondrial inheritance. This type of genetic disorder is caused by mutation in the non-nuclear DNA of mitochondria. Mitochondrial DNA is always inherited from the female parents. Some examples of mitochondrial inheritance include Leber's hereditary optic atrophy, or LHON, an eye disease, etc. That's a little information about genetic disorder I could give. Hope you can understand it, and thank you for watching. Bye!